Question 1. The planetarium presents educational shows, constellation tours, space exploration journeys, planetary movements, and stellar formation processes. Question 2. Which ancient civilization built these magnificent stone monuments? Questioned the historian while examining architectural details. Question 3. Beyond the mountain peaks, explorers discovered caves, mapped underground passages, and documented geological formations carefully. Question 4. The Culinary Institute teaches international cuisines, French techniques, Italian traditions, Asian flavors, and Mediterranean preparations. Question 5. The ballet performance showcases extraordinary artistic grace, applauded the dance critic after the stunning premiere. Question 6. Before the photography exhibition, participants prepared portfolios, selected best images, and arranged artistic displays professionally. Question 7. How do deep sea creatures survive extreme pressure conditions? Wondered the oceanographer while analyzing research footage. Question 8. The clockmaker restores timepieces, antique pocket watches, grandfather clocks, cuckoo clocks, and vintage wristwatches. Question 9. Keep your movements slow and deliberate, whispered the wildlife guide, to avoid startling the forest animals. Question 10. During the pottery throwing class, students scented clay, shaped vessels, and learned glazing techniques from master craftspeople. Question 11. The specialty coffee roaster imports premium beans, Ethiopian Arabica, Colombian Supremo, Hawaiian Kona, and Jamaican Blue Mountain. Question 12. Which renewable energy source provides the most efficient power generation? Debated the environmental engineers during the sustainability conference. Question 13. Around the meditation garden, visitors practiced mindfulness, walked labyrinth paths, and reflected on personal spiritual journeys. Question 14. The Textile Museum preserves cultural artifacts, traditional weavings, ceremonial garments, historical tapestries, and ethnic costumes. Question 15. The volcanic landscape creates breathtaking natural formations, exclaimed the geologist excitedly. This fieldwork proves invaluable for research. Question 16. After the beekeeping workshop, participants harvested honey, learned hive management, and understood pollination processes thoroughly. Question 17. Could you demonstrate the proper technique for microscope calibration? Requested the laboratory assistant during training. Question 18. The wind farm generates sustainable electricity. Turbine rotations, generator conversions, power transmission, and grid distribution systems. Question 19. Document your observations precisely in field notes, instructed the research supervisor for accurate data compilation later. Question 20. Throughout the blacksmithing demonstration, craftspeople heated metal, shaped horseshoes, and forged decorative ironwork using traditional methods. Question 21. Where do migratory birds find navigation cues during long flights? Studied the ornithologist while tracking bird movement patterns. Question 22. The gemstone appraiser evaluates precious stones, emeralds, rubies, sapphires, diamonds, and rare semi precious minerals. Question 23. Before the choir performance, singers' warmed voices practiced harmonies and memorized complex musical arrangements diligently. Question 24. The marine research vessel studies ocean depths, abyssal plains, underwater mountains, deep sea trenches, and thermal vent systems. Question 25. I believe this mathematical theorem requires careful proof verification, concluded the professor while reviewing student calculations.